Hi everyone, here we've got Nokia 3.4 and let me share with you how to change the keyboard language on this device. So firstly, let's open the keyboard, for example in messages, it doesn't really matter, and all you have to do right now is simply tap on the settings icon on the keyboard. Now let's tap on languages, and here we've got the list of previously added languages. We've got only English right now, so just tap on add keyboard, and here we've been transferred to the full list of available languages from which we can choose. So as you can see, we've got plenty of options to choose from. So all you have to do is simply find the language you'd like to set and tap on it. So I will pick Arabic. If you can choose the region, the same situation, just tap on the one you'd like to set. Here you can choose also the keyboard, but I will leave it like this. So let's tap on done. And as you can see, the Arabic language has been immediately applied to our list. So now let's get back to the keyboard and check. And here we've got actually two differences, because firstly, on the spacebar, we've got the name of the language we are currently using. And next to it, we've got the globe icon, which will allow us to change the languages. So now I can freely type in English, but after tapping on the globe icon, I can switch to the Arabic one. As you can see, it's very easy. The same situation right now, English, and after tapping on it, again Arabic. So actually this is how to change the language in your Nokia 3.4, but now I will show you how to remove the language from this list, because for some reason you do not need two different languages or three of them. So let's enter the settings, let's tap on languages and tap on this pencil icon in the right upper corner. Now we have to tap on the one we'd like to remove, mark it, and tap on the trash bin icon. And as you can see, it immediately disappears. So actually that's all. This is how to change the language, the keyboard language in your Nokia 3.4. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.